Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What are the benefits of aitikaf? The question is clear. And the answer is the benefits of doing aitikaf are number one, the person doing aitikaf dedicates his whole being and time to ibadah, worship of Allah. For example, a person who is not doing aitikaf, he will have to do his worldly activities. For example, a person going to college will have to go to college, a person who is doing job will have to go to his office, and a person who is not doing atikaf will have to spend time with his family, so he will not get much time to worship, as a person who is doing atikaf will get more time to do worship. Number two, one remains safe from sins and evils of the worldly life. As a person who is doing atikaf stays in masjid, so in masjid there is no environment of doing sins and evils. So when he stays in masjid, he stays away from the sins. Number three, one gets the blessings of prayer all the time while one is in aitikaf, because in aitikaf a person is always eagerly waiting to join prayers and jama. This means that the person who is doing aitikaf is always waiting for the congregational prayer or jama to start. And a hadith states that the person who is waiting for the congregational prayer or jama prayer to start keeps on getting blessing from Allah due to his doing wait for the congregational or jama prayer to start. So the person doing atikaf is continuously getting blessings and reward from Allah. The fourth is one is like the angels who worship and remember Allah all the time. Angels are always doing worship, and human beings have been given free will. They can do sins also and they can do good deeds also. But when a person doing atikaf sits in masjid, even if he is sleeping, he is obeying Allah, because he is doing atikaf and he is following the sunnah of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Even when he is sleeping, he will get blessing and reward from Allah. Even if he is eating, his eating will become a blessing and reward from Allah. So the 24 hours he spends in a day in atikaf, all 24 hours, even a second, every second becomes a blessing and a source of pleasure from Allah. This way he becomes like angels who are following Allah all the time. Number 5, a mosque is Allah's house. So a mu'takif means one who is performing atikaf is Allah's neighbor and his guest. A mosque or a masjid is the house of Allah. So the mu'takif or the person who is doing atikaf is a guest of Allah, because masjid is Allah's house. So the person doing aitikaf becomes a guest of Allah for 10 days. So the person who is the guest of Allah, you can imagine how many rewards and how many blessings will Allah give him.